Hello student, good morning. Myself Mita Oja. I am your Gujarati teacher. Look here beta. This is Gujarati textbook. Okay? It's a name Gulal. Gulal is a second standard Gujarati textbook. Okay? Now look here. Punravartan. It means revision. Vyanjan. It means consonant. ચિત્ર જોઈને પહેલો અક્ષર ખાનામાં લખો એટલે ચિત્ર જોઈ અને પહેલો અક્ષર ખાનામાં લખવાનો છે. See the picture and write first letter in the box. It means see the picture and write the first letter. It's a Gujarati letter. Okay. Now look here. Which picture is this? Pigeon. Pigeon is an English word. Is a Gujarati word. Kabutar. First letter is a K. K. Kabutar no K. Now which picture is this? Truck. Truck is an English word. Gujarati words. Khataro. K. Khatara no K. How to write K? Yes. Now look here. Which picture is this? Ganpati. Ganpati is a god. G. Ganpati no G. First letter is a G. G. Ganpati no G. Nano G. G. Ganpati no G. Which picture is this? House. House is an English word. How to use Gujarati? Ghar. G. Ghar no G. Now here first letter is a G. So here in the box write down G. So how to write? G. Okay. Now here which picture is this? Spectacles. It means chashma. Is a Gujarati word. Chashma. Cha chashma no cha. Is the first letter is a cha. So how to write cha? Yes. Cha chashma no cha. Cha chakli no cha. Okay student. Now which picture is this? Umbrella. Umbrella is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Yes, chhatri. Cha chhatri no cha. First letter is a cha. So how to write cha? Yes, cha chhatri no cha. Which picture is this? Jug. Jug no ja. Is the first letter is a ja. So how to write? Jug no ja. A nano ja che. Now look here. Which picture is this? Frog. Frog is an English word. Gujarati word is a jablu. Jabla no ja. First letter is a ja. So how to write ja? Yes, look here. Jabla no ja. It means moto ja. Which picture is this? Tomato. Tomato no ta. Tomato is a Hindi word. So how to use Gujarati? Tomato. Tomato or tomato is an English or Hindi words. Gujarati words is a tomato. So tomato no ta. First letter is a ta. So how to write ta? Yes. Tapali no ta. Tomato no ta. Okay. Now which picture is this? Seed. Is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Seed ne Gujarati માં શું કહેવાય? ઠળિયો. ઠળિયાનો ઠ. First letter is a ઠ. ઠળિયાનો ઠ. Now which picture is this? Damru. First letter is a D. So how to write D? Look here. Damrano D. Now look. Which picture is this? Drum. Drum is a English word. So how to use Gujarati? Dol. Dol no D. Now which picture is this? Yes, arrow. Arrow is an English word. How to use Gujarati? Ban. Ban no ba. So how to write? Yes. Ban no ba. Ban no ba. Bakri no ba. Okay. Now look here. Which picture is this? Sword. Sword is an English word. How to use Gujarati? Talwar. Talwar no ta. Is the first letter is a ta. Talwar no ta. So how to write ta? Look here beta. Yes. Talwar no ta. Which picture is this? Plate. Plate is a English word. So how to use Gujarati? Thali. Thali no th. First letter is a th. Thali no th. Which picture is this? Ball. Ball is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Yes, dado. The dada no the. So how to write the? Yes. Which picture is this? Flag. Flag is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Dhaja. The dhaja no the. First letter is a the. How to write? The. Now which picture is this? Nail. Nail is an English word. Okay. Where is nail? Here is a nail. Okay. So નખનો ન નેલને ગુજરાતીમાં નખ કહેવાય નખનો ન સો ફર્સ્ટ લેટર ઇઝ અ ન સો હાઉ ટુ રાઇટ નખનો ન નગારાનો ન વિથ પિક્ચર ઇઝ ધીસ કાઇટ કાઇટ ઇઝ અ ઇંગ્લિશ વર્ડ સો હાઉ ટુ યુઝ ગુજરાતી પતંગ ફર્સ્ટ લેટર ઇઝ અ પ પતંગનો પ સો હાઉ ટુ રાઇટ પ યસ which picture is this? Crackers. Crackers is a English word. How to use Gujarati? Fatakda. For fatakda no f. So how to write beta? For fatakda no f. Now look here. Which picture is this? Goat. Goat is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Bakri. Is a first letter is a b. Bakri no b. How to write b? Yes. Now look here. Which picture is this? God. God is an English word. So use Gujarati Bhagwan. Okay, Bhagwan no B is the first letter. So how to write beta? Look here. Yes, Bhagwan no B. Look here. Which picture is this? Chili. Chili is the English word. So how to use Gujarati? Marchu. Marcha no ma. It's the first letter is a ma. So how to write ma? Yes, marcha no ma. Which picture is this? Yashoda. Yashoda means कौन आता यशोदा? कृष्णना माता. यशोदा नो य. First letter is a y. So how to write y? यशोदा नो य. यशोदा नो य. यति नो य. Which picture is this? Saucer. Saucer means rakabi. Saucer is the English word and rakabi is a Gujarati word. So first letter is a R. Rakabi no R. Which picture is this? Garlic. Is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Lasan. Okay. So lasan no L. First letter is a L. So how to write L? Look here. Lasan no L. Lakoti no L. Which picture is this? Rain. Rain is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Varsad. First letter is a V. Varsad no V. How to write V? Yes. Varsad no V. Vahan no V. Now look here. Which picture is this? Shell. Shell is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Shank. Shank no sh. Minda valo sh. It means sharnai no sh. Which picture is this? Hexagon. Hexagon means shashtkon. Shashtkon no sh. First letter is a sh. So how to write sh? Yes, shashtkon no sh. Which fruit is this? Apple. Apple is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Safarjan. The first letter is a sa. Safarjan no sa. Sasla no sa. Which picture is this? Deer. Okay, deer is a wild animal या domestic animal? Wild. Deer is an English word. So how to use Gujarati? Haran. Haran no ha. Is the first letter is a ha. So how to write ha? Haran no ha. Which picture is this? Tap. Tap is an English word. How to use Gujarati? Nor. Oda nor no oda. Okay. Now, which picture is this? Warrior. Warrior means Kshatriya. Kshatriya no Ksha. So how to write Ksha? Yes, look here. Very good. Now last, scratfile. Great fire means yajna. Nya. So how to write nya? Yes. Okay. Do practice at home. Goodbye, students.